How to gift a game on Steam step by step. To gift a game on Steam, first of all, launch the Steam application on your device or simply Steam web version. Then log into your account and search for the game you want to buy in the store. Now you simply have to scroll down and click the Add to Cart button on the game store page. From there, your shopping cart page will open automatically. Click the Purchase as a Gift button instead of Purchase from myself. Now you simply have to choose the recipient. A list of your Steam friends will appear on the screen. Select the friend's name you want to send the game to and click the Schedule Delivery if you want to gift. If you want the gift to arrive automatically on future date like birthday, click the Continue and you can also choose to leave a note. Now you simply have to complete the purchase by choosing your preferred payment method and clicking the purchase. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.